What if any photo could talk? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate images for free using Grok AI with realistic lip sync. Hey, my name is Mivumbi and welcome to my channel. Let's dive in.
First, go to Google and search for Grok AI. Sign up for an account, and once you're logged in, this will be your dashboard.
And this is going to be your dashboard here. Now we come in here, imagine. Okay, this is the place we're going to start to create. Now first thing I want to show you, let's set this because sometimes they can limit you. So we're going to I want to click setting, come here to behavior, click that one, and we're going to here enable automatic video generation. So we're going to turn it off because sometimes when you put a prompt, they're going to do a video automatic for you, and we don't want that. So this is the first things you need to set your Grok AI. So now we're here, you see here, that's what we're going to create. So we come here, imagine, we get this page here. Now I want you to come here, set here. You can choose any aspect ratio you want. You can have short 9:16 or 16:9. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use 16:9. So click this one here, and here you can create video or you can create image. You can start to create image first before you create video. So once you've done here, now I already have my prompt here from ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT, he give me a prompt for this video, this avatar we're going to create. So I'm going to paste here and I'm going to click create. Now let's give few minutes. It's going to create image for us, and we're going to choose which image we want to use. Okay, our image are ready. See all this nice image here. So we can choose, we go look around and choose which one you think is going to be good for your channel as your avatar. Now let me choose this one. I like this one more. Let me choose this one here. So this is our avatar. We're going to use it for our channel. Now this is image. Now we're going to animate this image into video. So we're going to come here. I already got another prompt here. I'm going to copy this image here and I'm going to paste here. Okay, and then I'm going to click this one here. So it's going to create this image as a video. Okay, you see,
Hey, welcome to my channel.
you see this is nice video here. So now if you want her to speak more, to talk more, so let me show you. Like for example, like if you can have this one, you can go up to the end if you want to, and copy video frame and come back here to imagine, and you can click here. Okay, so here we want to say welcome to my channel. My name is Mivumbi. Okay. So we're going to click this one. That's how you add lip sync to your avatar. Okay, so wherever you want to add, wherever you want her to say anything, like today's video we're going to talk about how to create your own AI avatar for your YouTube channel. So you take that sentence, you add there.
Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Mivumbi.
Okay, so that's his lips. That's we add lip sync. So here, when you finish this one, you can come here, click, you download. So this is how you do it. You can add anything you want. Whatever you want her to say it, you just come here, add a sentence, and she's going to say.
And that's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Easy Tutorials AI for more simple AI tutorials like this. If you want to create more avatars like the one you saw in this video, I've prepared ready-to-use prompts for you. Just click the link in the description to get access. And if you want to learn more or need personal help, I also offer one-on-one services. All the links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.